This housekeeper didn't know there was a camera. This is what she did. You should install home security cameras inside your house if you have a housekeeper. You're putting this security measure in place for your family, pets, and other valuables. There have been a series of reports about housekeepers lately doing unlawful things. For instance, you'd not like your housekeeper to have access to where they are not allowed while you're not around. Home security cameras can give you the clue of what happened behind your back. Every day, security cameras in different public places capture the things we do: stores, streets, transportation, and so on. Would you like to know how the people on the other side of the camera see you? We collected stories from people whose jobs are directly connected with security, and some of the people from our article have security cameras in their homes. They definitely know what people can do when they think nobody's watching them. Catching intruders on a security camera is not considered a powerful entry into a weird things caught on CCTV list. However, we thought it would be good to show you one of the many ways burglars break into a house. Typically, a security camera is recorded in standard definition and oftentimes don't have audio that accompany the footage. This makes it harder to make out things that are caught on camera. The base quality of a security camera can make it hard to fake in post. This means that most things captured on security cameras are real. Sometimes it seems like surveillance cameras are everywhere. They're often the last word in criminal cases, and they can help protect the innocent. Then again, sometimes they feel like a bit of an invasion of privacy. Regardless of your feelings on CCTV, one thing is for certain: every once in a while they catch something truly unforgettable. We live our own lives and rarely think about how we look from the outside. But if we were filmed all the time, we would learn a lot about ourselves. Now you'll see the funniest and most interesting moments that you managed to capture on camera. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so as not to miss anything. In recent years, people have installed cameras in their homes for security purposes. These cameras often record very funny and weird things. Maybe you use a professional house cleaning service, but still have to do some occasional chores. Or maybe you do it all. Both ways, there are tips that can save you time and money, and it all depends on the tools and equipment that you use. Between living your daily life and handling all of the details of your upcoming move, time is in short supply. Hiring a cleaner to do all of the tough cleaning tasks is a terrific way to save time so that you can use your precious free hours doing something fun. What happens when you leave your housekeeper alone at home? Many people don't know, but this man was curious to find out, and for that, he recorded a YouTube video that went viral on all social networks, and he caught the young lady red-handed. We invite you to see this shocking video. The owner of this house really left for work, but left his property in safe hands. But after he went to work, he opened his home security camera and saw something unusual. In the video below, you'll see how the cleaner, who is filmed unknowingly, at the moment when the owners are not at home, undresses, put her clothes in the washing machine while she cleans only with underwear, Gazeta Express reports. One day, the owner of the house was having a meeting with his friends, and one of them told him that his housekeeper did strange things at home. However, he didn't believe him, and just in case, he placed security cameras in the house. The surprise he got was unique and unmatched. The maid of the house was sexier than it appeared at first impression, and that's when she was alone in the guy's house. She's acting weird and began to take off her clothes, as you can see in this YouTube clip. Furthermore, he has a lot of fun when he returns home and hears the magic bird, which will tell him what his cleaner has done. At the moment, when the owners are not at home, she undresses, puts her clothes in the washing machine while she only cleans in her underwear. To keep a good watch on her and make sure she does her job well, the subject placed surveillance cameras throughout his apartment, without imagining that what he would find in the recordings would be a really sexy young woman and, of course, fetishist. What a surprise was a man when he discovered that his maid, in addition to wasting time while he is not at home, is deeply in love with him. In sheer lingerie, she lays on the sofa for a while, does a little exercise, reads, and at the end, she sensually vacuums the rug. But the discovery that most impacted him was the realization that she was stealing his favorite shirts from his closet. Even at some point, you can see when she lets her anatomy caress with one of the garments that she later puts in her personal bag to finally leave her a couple of errands with her lips set. How does the recording end? The cries of the damsel and the blows confirm the madness of this beautiful woman, who became a worldwide trend with her video that reached more than 500,000 views on YouTube and as many thousands of shares. What do you think of the note? Leave us your comment. My maid did it previously, and she confessed that this was what all the other maids told her each others do if they wanted an exit strategy. I think my brain froze in shock. In that job, I dusted a lady's vanity with lines of Coke set up on it. She was pissed, but I was honestly clueless that it was actually Coke. I thought it was baby powder.